guys, so we're gonna do a cook with me today. My husband and my son want sushi tonight. This will be my son's first time eating sushi, so I hope it'll be good for him. Fully
cooked!
The ingredients are, okay, so we have some salmon here. This isn't sushi grade. You might want to buy sushi grade if you're really particular, but that's okay. We have some sushi rice. And this is what you flavor the rice with. It's vinegar with a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. We have inside of our sushi roll, we're going to have cream cheese and avocado. And for the dip, to dip it in, just some soy sauce.
And of course, some nori rolls, roasted seaweed.
Okay, so the first thing we have to do is boil the rice. And it's just the same way as I boil any other rice. You can see that this rice is small and rounded. My water is already at boiling from the machine, and I'm going to turn it on medium-high. So what I like to do is stir it up, make sure it's stirred well. You want to use twice as much water as you do rice. So if I put 1 cup of rice, I want 2 cups of water. So I'm just stirring it up so it's all loose in there. I'm going to let it come to a rolling boil. Stir it 1 time, let it rise up to a rolling boil real quick again, and then I'm going to turn it off. It's come to a rolling boil. I'm going to stir it thoroughly. Let it come to a rolling boil again for 10 seconds or so. And then I'm going to turn it down to about 2 o'clock. See that? So low. Okay guys, I didn't grow up eating sushi, so I think this is okay. I think this is okay. I'm going to put the rice vinegar in it. Not really even sure how much to put in it, but this is basically, yeah, oh, it's got a yeast extract flavor enhancer as well as sugar, salt, and vinegar. Maybe 2 tablespoons? Have no idea. Just enough to cream it up. And then I'm going to let it cool down. Help me, help. Part of our filling is avocado, so I'm going to slice it up. I'm really not going to even use half of an avocado for this. It just goes a long way in sushi. When I was a little kid, I had a neighbor that would eat avocado, and I just thought that that was so foreign, like avocado. And avocado costs a lot of money like it does now, but back then, even more. So she was my grandma's neighbor, and I would spend time with all of them together and listen to their conversations and things. And I just thought that that was so amazing that she ate avocado. And I always wanted to try avocado, and as soon as I tried it, I hated it. And I still hate it, except I love guacamole, and I love avocado and tomato, but I can't eat it by itself. I still can't, and I can't eat it on toast by itself like that. It's just, it tastes bad to me, so I can't do it. So I'm just going to put the slices. This one is a really easy one to peel, so I'm just going to peel it instead of... Pew pew.
No, I don't want to fall if you spin it.
Got avocado.
Ready?
Gotta move on to the salmon now. I think I'm going to cut it right here so I can not worry about the bones. And now my least favorite thing is to cut the skin off.
You want me to sharpen that?
Nah. So I'm gonna hold my hand flat. I know I'm not getting it on the other side, am I? On this side, I'm getting it. I'm gonna hold my hand flat on it and run the knife through. All right, I missed a little bit. So I'll just peel that off. I want to get as much of the meat as possible. Okay. Just make sure it doesn't have scales on it. Just gonna cut it into strips. I only put maybe 2 to 3 pieces per roll. And I make about 5 or 6 rolls. Okay, I got my nori sheet. I'm gonna put it down. Let me see which side. Is it with the rough side up or the smooth side up? I think it's with the rough side up. I'll find out later if I'm wrong. So let me get the rice. We're going to spread rice along here and smooth it out all over the place. And then we're gonna put our fillings on. I have recently gotten rid of all of my kitchen stuff, so I'm just going to use a wood spatula, a wood flat spatula to spread it out. Now, I'm not a master, okay? I'm just a person who makes sushi for her husband because she loves her husband dearly. So please don't judge harshly. I'm going to put it in a strip right here. And then I'm going to smooth it out all over. Getting close to the edges. I'm going to leave this edge a little bit empty. It's been a couple years since I've made this, but I'm pretty sure I left that edge empty to roll it and to stick.
Couple years.
It's been a while.
Has it been a while?
Expiration day. Just gonna go back and fill any holes. All right, now it's time for the toppings.
Cream cheese.
Salmon. Avocado.
Avocado. Avocado.
So I'm going to take the cream cheese and I'm going to put it on here in chunks. I'm not going to spread it out. I'm going to put it in chunks. Dun, dun, dun.
Chunk.
So, time to fill the salmon. And I'm going to put like big end, little end, like that. Usually I have some end pieces here, but I didn't this time. That's fine. All right, have an avocado.
Avocado. Avocado.
I should probably cut these thinner than what I did. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
I figured you would be. Okay, so which way did I roll it? I think I rolled it from this way. Get in on this action. Okay, I'm gonna hold it at the start. Now, at the same time, I'm pulling back my mat and rolling my mat away from my sushi. Does that make sense? It took me a while. I'm dyslexic, so it was very hard for me to attempt this. So then I'm going to take my mat and roll it over and tighten it just a little bit to where everything is sticking in there. Okay, and there is one roll, and it is not perfect, but it sure is edible. I am going to wash this knife and keep it wet the whole time that I'm cutting this sushi, because a wet knife cuts better in sushi. When you get your sushi, you have lines in it, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's like every ½ inch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it every ½ inch. When I make that last cut, I'm going to cut all the way through and back.
Cut them small, please.
Oh, you like them smaller?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a feat.
Those are magnificent in size. I'll eat them pieces.
So we have the children with us today.
She will do exactly what you do, Raphael.
Okay, let me talk now. So Mommy's making sushi the way restaurants make it.
Ooh, thank you, Raphael. What a nice compliment, Raphael.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You make it just exactly like the restaurant.
Wow. Woo! I lost you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disaster. Sushi everywhere. Sushi. Hey, Dad.
Hey guys, make sure you watch the sushi mukbang that my son and Hadar actually filmed together. My son has autism and he asked my husband a lot of questions, and it was really fun and funny. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.